Okay, so what we got here is a Kia Sportage 2023. It is installed with the Ghost 2 Immobiliser system. So as you can see, if you try and start this vehicle without the Ghost code, it will not start. It's not so ready to start driving, and I can't put it into gear. So what you're going to do when you get in the vehicle, you need to enter your code to be able to start it. So you turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 2 flashes from the seatbelt light, and then you can turn it on, and now it says ready to start driving, and it goes into gear. So if you want the Ghost installed on your Kia to protect it from being stolen, give us a shout. See the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.